Hi guys, I am Gaganayan from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of CSE Data Science. Today I will explain the topic about disposal options and selection criteria based on type of waste. Introduction. When it comes to waste management, selecting the appropriate disposal options is for environmental sustainability. The choice of disposal method depends on the type of waste generated. Several options are available, including recycling, landfilling, incineration, compositing, and hazardous waste treatment. Selection criteria often consider factors such as a waste composition, volume, potential environmental impact, cost effectiveness, resource recovery potential, and local regulation. A careful evaluation of these criteria ensures the responsible and efficient management of the different types of waste. Next, we will move to here are some common types of waste. There are three types of waste: solid waste, liquid waste, hazardous waste. We will discuss about the solid waste. Solid waste includes the non-liquid materials such as a household garbage, packaging materials, construction debris, and industrial waste. Second one, liquid waste. Liquid waste comprises any waste that is predominantly in liquid form, such as a sewage, wastewater from industry, and chemical solutions. Third one, hazardous waste. Hazardous waste refers to materials that pose a significant risk to human health or the environment. For example, include toxic chemicals, pesticides, radioactive waste, and biomedical waste. Next, we will move to disposal options for the different types of waste types. There are three different waste types of disposal options. First one, solid waste disposal options. Second one, liquid waste disposal options. Third one, hazardous waste disposal options. We will discuss the solid waste disposal options. Landfill. The most common method of the solid waste disposal, waste is buried in designated area with measure to prevent the contamination of soil and water. Incineration involves controlled burning of waste, reducing its volume and converting it into ash, gas, and heat. Energy recovery can be achieved through waste to energy plants. Recycling. The process of converting the waste materials into reusable product. Recycling reduces the need for raw materials and conserves the energy. Compositing. Sustainable for organic waste. Compositing involves the decomposition of organic materials to produce nutrient rich compost used in the agriculture. Next, we will move to liquid waste disposal options. Sewage treatment plants treat domestic wastewater to remove contaminants before releasing to the water bodies or reused. Industrial effluent treatment. Industrial waste undergoes the treatment processes the tailored to remove specific pollutants. Bioremediation uses microorganisms to degrade or transform contaminants in wastewater, soil, or groundwater. Next, we will move to hazardous waste disposal actions. Secure landfills. Specialized landfill designed to handle hazardous waste with safety measures to prevent the contaminations. Incineration. High temperature incinerates the destroy hazardous waste, reducing its volume and eliminating the toxic components. Chemical treatment. Chemical process to neutralize or transform hazardous component into non-toxic substances. Recycling and recovery. Hazardous waste materials are processed to extract the valuable components or convert them into usable products. Next, we will move to selection criteria for disposal options. Environmental impact, public health and safety, resource conservation, cost effectiveness, regulatory compliance, technological Feasibility. These are the selection criteria for the disposal options. First one, environmental impact. Evaluate the potential effects on air, water, and soil quantity, as well as the overall ecological balance, public health and safety. Consider the risk posed to human health, including exposure to toxic substances or pathogens, and the potential for uh, accidents or disasters. Resources conservation. Assess the potential for the waste reduction, reuse, recycling, or energy recovery to conserve the resources and minimize environment impact. Next, we will move to cost effectiveness. Evaluate the economic feasibility of different disposal options, considering the factors such as operational costs, infrastructure requirements, and long-term maintenance. Regulatory compliance. Ensure the compliance with local, national, and international regulation regarding the waste management and disposal. Technological feasibility. Assess the availability and reliability of the technologies required for each disposal method, considering the factors such as infrastructure and scalability. Next, we will move to conclusion. In conclusion, waste disposal options and selection criteria play a role in managing the waste sustainably. By understanding the different disposal methods available for solid, liquid, and hazardous waste, and considering the factors such as the environmental impact, public health and safety, resources conservation, cost effectiveness, regulatory compliance, and technological feasibility, etc., we can make informed decision to minimize the negative effect of waste on our environment and society. Let us work together towards the clean, cleaner, greenery future. Thank you.